I want to make Tom Kha Gai. Pairing. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my special method to prepare this Tom Kha Gai. Tom meaning boiling, Kai meaning boiling chicken, Gai. I think this is galangal, boiling galangal with chicken. This is just how I understand it on my own. But I'll be preparing it while retaining the traditional structure, but I want to add a different kind of twist whereby I'll be infusing lots of depth in the chicken. So these are our ingredients for our Tom Kha Gai. So this is a very easy traditional Thai recipe we'll be preparing together. Enjoy me. Welcome to my kitchen, and if this is your first time in my kitchen, don't forget to check some other of my videos. Let's get right into cooking. Let's prepare our aromatics first. So join me. Take out the outer layer, cut this off. You need a very sharp knife, and please be careful. Then you smack it out. Oh, go ahead, but be careful. You can use the back of your knife and smack it to be able to relieve the flavors. But what I'll be doing, I'll be using this my small mortar here. So this is what we got. And now let's prepare our galangal, and this is the main sauce for this dish, Tom Kha Gai. This is the guy. For you to prepare this meal, you must have this. This is a must. This is not ginger. You cannot substitute it with ginger. It has its own aromatic taste and flavors. You must get this first. From any Asian store will always give you this. You can peel it, but it's very hard to peel, and also it is quite nutritious without peeling it. Just make sure you make it clean. I'm gonna cut it. Add everything right in the pot. Here we got our shallots. Add our shallot in there. This is our shallot. I'll pound some garlic. Add in there. So now we set this aside and let's prepare our chicken. Roughly pound your chili and set aside. Slice up some onion. Here I got chicken thigh and chicken breast. Please cut your chicken according to your preferred size. So here we'll be using this for our chicken broth, and here our chicken for our main dish. Chicken. Let's prepare our chicken broth, and I'll be using thyme, curry powder, salt, Maggi cubes, and chicken flavor. Add all this right into our chicken. Some onion. Add a little bit of water, some chili, white pepper. I'll cook this in low heat for about 5 minutes. All we need here is just to get the broth. So now we've gotten our broth of the heat and shifter it. So right in our pot, I'll add in some olive oil. So once this gets hot, I'll add in all our aromatics in there. I'll let it fry for about 7 minutes. I'll get some of this kaffir lime leaves. And guess what, guys? It's raining right now, and my girl is feeling under the weather. That is what makes me preparing this meal. So everything is given 10 over 10. So don't forget to click the like button and tell me where you're watching this from. Go ahead and add in coconut milk. Okay. Shifter this out and set aside. Filter this up. Grease my pan with some olive oil. Use whatever oil of your choice, and let's get along. So I'm going with my minced garlic and onion. Adding our chicken into it and let this infuse together. This way we're making our meat to be flavorful. Some white pepper. I'm going with a pinch of salt. There goes in our chili. Stir this together. Now we'll go in and add in our stock, chicken broth, and also our coconut broth. Combine this together. I'll be adding in some more of the coconut milk. Mix together. Allow this to simmer. Chop up my tomatoes into two. Now we'll go ahead and add in our mushrooms using these tomatoes. Here we have our plum sugar. And also we got our fish sauce. And bring all this together. Cover and allow this to continue cooking while we prepare celery and green onions. Spring onions and let it do a stand there. More of the cilantro.